Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg on stainless steel. Start with a clean, dry stainless steel pan. Heat it over medium-low to medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the pan to reach an even temperature. Then, add your preferred cooking fat like butter or oil. You'll know it's ready when the fat shimmers gently but isn't smoking. This crucial step prevents sticking. Once your pan and fat are perfectly heated, gently crack your egg directly into the pan. Keep the heat at a consistent medium-low. This slower cooking method ensures the egg cooks through without burning the delicate whites or sticking to the pan. Watch closely and adjust the heat if you see any browning too quickly. Continue cooking until the egg whites are completely set and no longer translucent. For a runny yolk, this usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cover the pan briefly. To release, slide a thin, flexible spatula underneath the egg. It should lift easily if cooked correctly. Once your egg is perfectly cooked, carefully slide it onto your plate. Season it immediately with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper for the best flavor. For easy cleanup, let your stainless steel pan cool slightly. Then wash it with warm, soapy water. This method ensures a delicious egg and a well-maintained pan every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.